How to react to any message on Zoom with an emoji. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to react to any message on Zoom with emojis. So first thing, go to Zoom application. This is the home page, as you can see. Now let's just choose this channel to make a test. This is the message that I want to reply with a reaction emoji. All what you have to do is click on this face right here, on this emoji, and choose the emoji that you want from here. Let's choose this one. As you can see, now it's added easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.